Introducing now the Bulldozer and the KBW Undisputed and World Heavyweight Champion, Cage Execution.
So when I rise to the top, I'ma tell you I told. So I'ma have the world see like I'm the comic, the way from me.
Well, if you missed last week's video, go watch it. Because it didn't explain why I'm on crutches. It will explain the look on my face. It will explain the feelings that we're having right now, and it'll explain why the assassin AK-47 isn't here right now. See, last week, KBW experienced a rude awakening. Last week was supposed to be CJ versus AK for a shot at the World Heavyweight Champion. Then out of nowhere, something transpired, and no one in KBW expected it or was ready for it. CJ and this band of goons, his corporation, the Renegades, made their debut. I ignored the signs that we are coming. I'm sorry for blaming AK-47 for what happened to the Bulldozer. I'm sorry to each and every one of you out there. I'm sorry.
I already got screwed out of my money in the bank shop. And then, out of nowhere, these wannabes attacked me for no reason. The biggest and baddest man in KBW. They attacked the baddest group in KBW for no reason. And that's gonna be the worst thing they ever did, because we're gonna end this tonight.
These bandages on my head, this cast on my foot, it all happened because of these four men, the Renegades. CJ brought this group to KBW, and we want to know why. See, I have a broken foot, so I can't defend my title. But when I do, whoever wins, because there still will be a match between AK-47 and CJ. Don't get me wrong, when AK returns, I hope he beats the living... Calm down, Cage. I hope he kills CJ. So, frankly, all I want to do is get to the bottom of this. So where's CJ? Please, please, bring him out here right now. Where's he at? What are they doing here? I called for CJ.
No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us now.
Hey.
No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us now.
Don't look good.
We're the Renegades in this atomic age.
Go get him. Go.
Ah. Ah. Now let me tell you why we are here, while the Renegades are at KBW. Dynamite, AK, didn't know what he was doing. He didn't know what he was doing. AK was just holding Dynamite back. But hey, now I got him and he's gonna be the future champion, baby. Double T, TW, best athletes I've ever seen. I'm telling you, they're gonna be something. And me, I got screwed right here. I put him through a table. And we are coming to destroy and to take over KBW.
What? See, first of all, you're gonna have to go through each and every one of us before you ever take out KBW.
Each and every one of who?
AK's coming back next week. My boy Bulldozer's ready and willing to fight any one of you today.
Hey, we right here, baby. We right here.
Well, I got a match for you.
The Bulldozer handicap match.
Handicap match. You down with a handicap?
Him and Double
Against
T and TW.
All right. Next week, Bulldozer takes on TW, Double T, whatever the crap their name is, in a handicap match. But only way we accept that match is if you two, you're banned from ringside. Y'all come out, the match is over, it doesn't count, and y'all will be disqualified.
Deal.
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 All right. And also, I didn't know if you heard this, but next week, AK's coming back. And the match,
I'm ready.
the match is still on.
I'm ready.
You versus AK for a shot at the World Heavyweight Champion.
That's my belt anyways.
All right. Well, again, they're banned from ringside. They
Okay.
come out. So, you'll never get a shot at the title again.
Hey everybody, this is a KBW match. We're gonna have Double T and TW, two of the men from the Renegades, in a handicap match going against the Bulldozer. Now we have the Bulldozer. Get him out here.
I am the Bulldozer. And I'm tired of talking. It's time to show why they call me the biggest and baddest man in KBW. And the name of the match fits the description, because I guarantee by the time this match is over, these two Renegades will be handicapped. So get them out here.
No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us now. No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us now.
Ain't loud. TW and double T. Two of the men from the Renegades. Ding, ding, ding. They already went at it before I even start the bell. This match is now officially going on. Oh, what a move from the Bulldozer. Tag.
Go! Come on!
They're talking it out. TW says, nah, he ain't going against the biggest and the baddest. Good kick. Another good kick. Bulldozer catches. Oh! Nice kick from double T. 1, 2. Bulldozer with a kick out. Tag. Man, they're both on it. They're both in there jumping it. What is this? A double team move. Boom! Nice DDT from the Renegades. 1, 2. Kick out from the Bulldozer. Another tag. A lot of tags in this match. Wearing the Bulldozer down. Double T picking him up. Going out top. Bulldozer calling for the bear hug. The spine buster. What a move from the Bulldozer. Another tag. Here comes TW. Close line, no. Chop block. TW with a chop block. Now vicious stomps from TW. 1, 2. Still not enough to get the Bulldozer down. Tag, another tag. It's like the 10th one. Going up top. Again he catches it. Bear hug. Bear hug. He slings him down. Here comes TW trying to help. He gets it for the choke slam. Get him. Choke slam from the Bulldozer. Bulldozer's got him up for the Bulldozer. He said it's over. Boom! Bulldozer hits it. What is this? Dynamite! Dynamite! And CJ! Dynamite and CJ! All the Renegades!
We in it, bitch.
CJ, he's up. CJ said the Renegades are here. Look, it's Cage. Cage with the crutches.
Let's go.
Cage coming out to help his partner. But no. Too many. It's too many of the Renegades. Too much for Cage. Stomping on the hurt leg. Execution. I never seen him like this. Getting pummeled by the Renegades.
My boy
Renegades in this bitch. We can't be stopped. Can't be stopped.
Oh! The dynamite! Oh, again!
Pick him up.
Everybody knows here it comes. Spear! What a spear from Dynamite! Everybody knows here it comes, the signature move of the Renegades, the finisher. How they finish every... They got him up. Oh, right on top of the bulldozer. The Renegades look like they're here to stay.